Hello, welcome back to the Warbird Brothers channel. Today we're going to be opening up a Hangar 9 RV-4 30cc. This is going to be Leo's plane. Really, he should be over here showing you this, but we're going to open up the box and see what's in here and give you a first look. Okay, lid off the box. First thing you see, good sized wing. This is the right wing. And the left wing. I think those are reversed. That's the right wing. This is the left wing. Here are, it says these stabilizers that are detachable from the fuselage. Which we take them out in a full-size pickup truck, so we probably won't have to do that, but it's real good for storage and transport if you've got a small vehicle. Here's the wing. It's got flap, aileron, of course your aileron servo and your flap servo. Looks like the linkages to the flaps are hidden. It's a really wide wing. And covers for the wingtip lights. Pull the fuselage out. It's a big plane. Screws hold this hatch part in. The hatch goes all the way from the front. Way back here, you can get to all your servos. We're going gas on this one, so we'll be able to put the tank cup there and the throttle servo. Nicely built. Here's the cowl. Nice looking. Plenty of room in there for a 40 twin.
Kind of looks like me.
Yeah, he does. Canopy, almost big enough for me. Wheel pants. Landing gear fairings. Dashboard. Landing gear fairings. Fuel tank and wheels. Landing gear, tail wheel. Spinner, plastic spinner, aluminum back plate, and backrest. Well, here we are with a mock-up of the RV-4 from Hangar 9. It's Leo's new plane. It's got an 85-inch wingspan, LED in the wingtips. Comes with a pilot, removable horizontal stabilizers for transport, gas or electric. Of course, we don't do anything electric. Can't afford the batteries. But it's going to be a nice plane. Should be ready to go here in a few weeks. Remember to hit like and subscribe to the Warbird Brothers. We'll show you some more Warbird videos coming up soon. You need to fly that for a long time.
Hope so.
Really nice plane.